All right, so my neighbor over there, his name is Asher, and he is a TYRANIS Super Fan. He has been following us since the very beginning, one of our first subscribers, but he hasn't had a chance to get to ride the kart yet. So I think today's the day. I see him out in his front yard. I think we have to go over and grab him, see if he's down for a little rip. Let's go see what's up. Hey Asher, what's going on, buddy?
Not much.
You want to come for a ride?
Sure.
I know you've been dying to get on this go-kart, man. We're finally at a good spot. Come on through, we'll get you on there.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You've been watching since episode 1, right?
Oh yeah.
So for the viewers, how old are you, first of all?
9.
You're 9?
Well, more like 9 3/4 because my birthday's in like 5 months.
No way. Well, we like fractions, so that's good. What were you telling me you were thinking about doing when you go to college and all that?
I say I want to be an engineer.
Heck yeah, that's right.
Yep.
You got good taste, buddy. Well, check it out, man.
Okay.
Here's what we're gonna be taking for a spin.
Okay.
So yeah, go ahead and jump in. Yeah, you got it figured out.
Yep.
You've seen this once or twice, haven't you?
Yep.
Yep. That goes through there. Boom, you got it. Clip that down. A little further down, it'll snap in.
Oh, there
Perfect. And here is your Asher Cam helmet.
you go.
Put that on. Oh, we're looking pretty good. Let's see.
There you go.
All right.
Okay.
So you have an engine on choke, which basically makes it so that you get less air in and more gas, and it makes it easier for the engine to start up. So we put it on choke. Starts up.
Yep.
And we gotta turn our choke off.
Woo! I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Get myself strapped in.
Yep.
Tilt this back on you a little bit. There you go. Feel free to hold the bottom of the strap, and
Yeah,
it might
there you
grab a
go.
little better. All right, you ready?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Wow. This thing is so smooth.
Right? Not so bad.
Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah.
See, the pedals are a little far away, otherwise
Yep.
I'd have you driving. But
Yep. Wow.
I'm gonna open it up a little bit. You
Yep.
ready?
Yep. Woo! Wow.
Let's go down here a little.
I remember back in episode 7, this thing was so loud.
Oh yeah. I love it. Take you through the woods a little bit.
Yep. Woo-hoo.
Alright. And we're going up.
And we're going up.
What do you think?
This is awesome.
You think your dad's gonna like it?
Yeah.
Can we let him drive?
Yep.
Let's go find him.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Sweet. Here, give me Asher Cam.
Asher Cam.
There you go. All right.
Oh yeah, you know what you should do?
What should I do?
You should make helmets with the TYRANIS logo on them.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
There he is. Hey, come on over, man. I think it's your turn to drive.
Nice. How was it?
It was fun.
Did it live up to the hype?
Yes.
Awesome.
I said to Asher, I said, when do you think the episode will be where Bobby has gotten a TYRANIS tattoo?
We've talked about that. There's a couple different subscriber number goals that are gonna have to be hit.
That's right.
You know, so if you guys want to see me get permanently Tyrannisified, we're gonna have to hit at least a couple thousand subs.
That's right.
So yeah, why don't you guys go ahead and hop in?
Nice.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So Asher, you know how those seatbelts work. You can explain it to your dad.
All the sounds of this welding for so many months. Now I get to feel the real experience.
That's right. You guys have been putting up with me since you moved in. We're gonna try and make it worth it.
These ones go like this, and
Yeah.
then they snap in like that.
Thank you for the lesson. Show me again, Asher.
This little strap goes in there, and then you pull this that way.
Ah, I see. Nice.
Okay, yeah, let me explain how this thing works.
Yeah.
So you have two pedals. This one right here is gonna be your brakes, and your other one is your throttle. So
Great.
Let's not go a million miles an hour and brake really fast. Let's not do that. Let's not flip the cart.
I was hoping you weren't going to say the brake was on the other side.
yeah, right, that would be way worse. Right here, obviously, key start, and
Nice.
also this is the off position. So there's your on position, and then further is gonna start it just like a car, but if you do need to kill it, you can kill it right there.
Okay.
What is that like orange? That little orange tube that has the liquid in it. In the back.
In the back of the...
Yeah.
Oh, the clear part there?
Yeah.
That is our fuel filter. So that our
Ooh.
fuel runs through that just in case dirt or anything gets into the top of the tank when we're filling it up, because this thing gets pretty nasty as we beat
Yeah.
on it. That's a great question though, buddy. I didn't even think about that. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll put the choke on for you, and then I'll have you crank that thing over, and then kind of go feel it out and see how it goes. Go ahead and start her up.
All right, here we go.
All right, you guys are good. Try it out.
You ready?
Yep.
All right. Father-son action here.
Yep. Don't go too fast. You can go faster than that.
Should we go on the grass first?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! This thing's awesome! Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh
Go down the
yeah.
street.
Sure.
Yeah.
You better let
Put
me
'em both
catch
ways.
up.
Any other go-karts coming?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, this is amazing.
All right.
This thing purrs like a kitty cat.
Oh, neighbors. Don't mind that. Just going on the go-kart now.
Don't crash us into a tree, whatever you do. Oh, that's nothing compared to those bumps.
Uh-oh. Here, duck your head. Duck your head. Ah!
Yeah. Woohoo!
Want to go up here?
Yeah. Woo! Oh.
That's awesome.
Oh yeah. You guys digging it or what?
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
That's awesome. Wow.
Finally get to actually...
The powers.
Yeah.
Really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
That's awesome. Really good. And it just tears through the the uneven ground and the woods and everything.
Yeah.
It's really awesome. Yeah. Really cool.
Wow, this thing has been through so much.
I know.
Start off, it's just a little red and black go-kart.
Yep.
Yep.
Now it's
Tyranified.
yeah. Now you just got it powder coated, and this thing will be in business.
Right? That's what we're trying for, man. So
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you guys finally got to ride it. It's been a long time coming.
So awesome.
Yep.
Yeah.
Glad I caught you today.
All the hard work. Give her love.
That's right.
Yep.
Now you're gonna have to become an engineer.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
cool.
You guys want to pull it in?
Yeah.
Sure.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh, this is so fun.
Into the shop. Her.
Isn't that cool?
That's really
Yeah.
cool.
I'm so glad you guys finally got to get in
That's
there.
awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, you pull up on the red strap there
Oh,
to
okay.
get out.
Yeah,
nice.
Trey's missing.
Trey's missing today, I know. He's been busy, so I'm helping him out on this
We're
one.
taking over both duties here, huh?
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got to try my hand at Premiere after this.
Yeah. So on the news station that you guys were on,
Yeah.
they said Trey Davis. Is he related to you?
You would think that.
Yeah, that's what they were like. Asher was like, I didn't know they were related.
There's a lot of people from high school who still think that we're either brothers or cousins or
Really?
something. It's just complete coincidence.
That's funny.
So, yeah, that's very hot for sure.
What'd you guys think?
Oh,
Oh
my God,
wow,
that's
that's
awesome.
amazing. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. The power, the way it like just like through the uneven ground, the way it just kind of plows through. Like you
Yeah.
think it kind of would like lose some traction and like not be able to get up the hill
Yeah.
and everything,
Yeah.
but man, it
Like
just,
an excavator.
yeah, it was funny. We were playing tennis, and I think he gets anytime he gets a chance to tell somebody about. He's like, should we tell him? Should we tell him about the TYRANIS, our neighbors, like
Yeah.
in the YouTube channel?
That's awesome. That's what we need, buddy. We gotta get those subs up. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Here's what you gotta do.
What?
I have to figure out how I'm gonna cue you in, but you have to tell them to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're our like and subscribe today.
Which is basically what he tells every person on the street anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta tell him what you told our friends playing tennis.
Yeah.
You were playing tennis today?
Yeah.
And what'd you tell them?
Tell him like and subscribe.
Attaboy. Dab me up. Dab me up. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is just reach out and grab the camera like that.
Okay.